Hi, welcome to Bit, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform. Bit documents are modern and interactive, allowing you to add just about any type of digital content to your documents. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily add Trello cards into your Bit documents. Go to the Trello platform and open up a board. Locate and open up the card you want to embed. Then click on the Share button. Then copy the link to this card. Now head over to Bit.ai and open up a Bit document. Click on a blank line and paste the web link. You'll see that Bit automatically renders the Trello card inside of your document. Bit has rich embed integrations with over 100+ different applications. To learn more about our other integrations, watch our other videos. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.